Hello guys, I'm boss Subash and the boss, and in this video I'm going to talk about five five AI tools that students must know. அண்ட் நானும் உங்களை மாதிரி ஒரு காலேஜ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் தான். அதனால இது அட்வைஸ் இல்லை, இது சஜஷன்ஸ். இதை கேட்டுக்கிட்டு உங்கள் டைமு லைஃப் எல்லாத்தையும் சேவ் பண்ணிட்டு ஓடிடுங்க காலேஜ் விட்டு. They are professors, sir. They are boomer professors. They want you to do manual work for 20-30 hours restlessly. And I'm a poor guy. I cannot do it, Ra. I'm a poor guy. Please leave me. So I'm going to use this AI to help myself. And I'm also going to share this with you. And this is a video. And watch this to the end. The first app I'm going to talk about is Tome App. This AI is going to help you create presentations with just one click. All you have to do is just give them the context of presentation you wanted to create and write, let's say I want to create a presentation 3D printing. So all I have to give them about the context 3D printing, write a presentation on 3D printing, and it will give me a presentation about 3D printing with text, everything that I need. And I can also use their templates and interactive elements to make it more presentable. So the second tool I'm going to talk about is Scribble. So the Scribble helps you to create step-by-step guides with screenshots, instructions, and clicks. And to use it, simply record your screen using Scribble, and you can easily share the instructions. And the feature is especially helpful for teaching software or explaining how to do complex tasks in assignments. And the third tool I'm going to talk about is Points.com. If you are a student who wants to improve your communication skills, consider yourself lucky because I found this tool, and this acts as your personal communication coach. Macha, if you are somebody who desperately wants to improve your communication skills, then this is a tool. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. I was very amazed with the tool and the results. And all you have to do is upload a video. The AI will analyze and give you suggestions, and not just suggestions about the verbal or vocabulary that you use. It also suggests the tonality that you use on the videos and how confident you sound in the video. And this is a live feedback thing. You can also use this in the live meetings. The fourth tool I'm going to talk about is Lala.ai. And this AI, if you are a student, if you are a music student especially, and if you are a podcaster or a student who wants to make content like me, then this tool is for you. And this helps you to remove vocals from music, and this also helps detect noise from audio. Complete reduction. It is amazing. It is working amazingly, and I have used it. And all you have to do is just upload the audio file, and it will do the rest of the hard work for you. The fifth tool, Machan, this is the fifth tool. You have to use it, Machan. You have to use it. நண்பர்களை தயவு செஞ்சு இதை யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க, because this acts as a second brain, and I use it every day, and this is my favorite tool. ஐயோ இது இல்லைன்னா என் வாழ்க்கையே ஓடாது அந்த மாதிரி. And this is a very versatile tool where you can create website, portfolio website. We can take notes. You can take to-do list, and you can also take anything. Just name it. Name it. I'll show it. I'll name it. I'll show it. That is how note it is. And keep track of deadlines, tracks, storing and sharing information, everything just on one platform. And that's it for today's video. And do subscribe our channel, and just subscribe, put on the bell icon, and do join our Discord community. And this is a student community by students, by me. I'm a student, and do share it with people who want to know about AI tools and save your life. Run from the college, save everything. And a kind reminder, if you are a school student or a college student, do join our Discord group. And don't forget to subscribe, share this, and like. Bye.